Hey everybody, I'm Ashley Marshall with Cranford Marshall Legal, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of legal information, not legal advice. I'm not your attorney, but people have been coming to me and asking me, Ashley, I really want to work on my business. How do I set that up? What's the best way to do it? Should I just, attach it to my name and keep going? Well, no, probably not. You probably want to have a little bit more formality when you set up your business. You might want to think about something called an LLC, which is a limited liability corporation. The reason you want to do this is if you have a sole proprietorship, that's attached to your name and that's attached to your personal belongings. So if something were to go south with your company, say you make whatchamacallits, and somebody doesn't like your whatchamacallit and they want to sue you about it. Well, what they can do is when they sue you, and if they were to get a judgment against you, your personal assets are a liability too. So your house, your cars, money that you have in your bank that you and your husband or your spouse have saved so hard for. That's not a great idea. So think about setting up something like an LLC, which is a limited liability corporation. With that, it kind of separates you and it has a business that's separate from your personal life so that you can have this business and you can maintain its assets separate than what you're doing on your own. This is just a brief little information piece. My recommendation would be to speak to an attorney or to speak to your attorney about it before you go forward. LLC does take a little bit more to start up. You've got to do paperwork with the court. You've got to file for an EIN. Some other things like that have to be done, and it costs a little bit more, but in the end, it could actually save you some benefits. Now, I want to tell you this, like I said at the beginning, this is just legal information. It's not legal advice. We're not performing an attorney-client relationship with this, and there are all sorts of great lawyers around that can help you with it. And if you don't have a lawyer, you're welcome to talk to me as well. Also, I'm not a tax advisor, so talk to your tax person as well to see what they recommend. Y'all have a great one.